Hello everyone, welcome back to all computer classes. As you know that we are covering chapter 11, that is Google Drive, right? So this is part 2 of Google Drive, and today the topic that we are going to cover is organizing files and folders, right? To store our digital content online we use Google Drive, right? Now once we store, how we can organize our files and folders. So today's topic is about that, right? So organizing files and folder. First of all, we will learn creating a new folder and then moving a file to a folder. Let's learn practically how we can do this. So first of all, I'll open my Google Drive. The first step is open your google.com, go to the Gmail. My Gmail account is already logged in here. You will use your password and username, and once you come here you will visit this button Google Apps and come here on Google Drive, right? So it will take us to Google Drive. Now here I have some pictures, some documents, some PDF, right? So many things I have kept here. Now the first topic was to create folder in order to manage some files. So for that I'll go here in the new button, right? So this additional sign is showing to add some folder. So I'll click here and I will click on the folder. The first option is folder, right? So now new folder. Now I'll give name Nature's Pictures. Create. Now you can see the new folder is created. It is as simple, right? Now the second topic was to move files to the folder, right? Now I have some pictures here. For example, these are some nature's picture and I want to move it to the nature's folder, right? So we have two methods here. First, whatever picture I want to move, I'll click on that picture and you will get to see this button. This is more action button. These three dots aligned vertically is more actions. You just click over move to and it will display all the folders. So I want to move this picture to nature's picture. Click over it and move, right? This was one way. The second way is to right click over the picture that you want to move. Now I want to move this picture. I'll right click and here I have option move to. Again the folders are displayed here. Click on nature's picture and move, right? So this is the way I can move my pictures, right? And I can select some pictures all together using control key and then I can move them in the folder. Like I'll press my control key. So I have selected these 4 pictures. Now I'll go to more action button and move to then nature pictures and move. So 4 pictures will go to the nature's picture. Now I'll open this folder. Now you see I have got 6 pictures here, right? So this is the way we can create and move our pictures to the new folder, right? So we have done these 2 topics. Now the next is searching a file or a folder, right? So for searching we have 3 methods. First is to search by file name. Second is to search by file type, and third is to search a file using search option, right? So let's see how these option works, right? First by name, second by type, and third by search options, right? So let's go back to the Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive. Now you see this is a search bar and here it is written search in Drive. So you want to search any file, you will type here the file's name. For example, I had some file with name 8, right? So I'll just write one name and press enter. Any file which is having number 8 in its name will be displayed here, right? So this is by file name. The second method was by file type. For example, now I come here and I have these options. whether it is a PDF file, document file, spreadsheet, presentation, photos and images, or video. So what kind of file you want to search? For example, I want to search my PDF files, so all the PDF will be displayed here, right? Or you want to search images and photos, right? So all the images will be displayed. So this is the second type, file type. The first was file name, second was file type, right? And third was search option. So within this search bar we have this drop down menu. This is called search options. So I'll click here and you will get this form. Now here you will type the name or type of the file. For example, I want to search photos and images. So owner, anyone can be the owner. Location, anywhere, whether it is in trash or starred. The file was modified anytime, right? So whatever option you desire to search, you can pick, or you can write those options here in the space provided and search, right? So I had some images in my recycle bin, means trash, so all the pictures are displayed here, right? So is trashed, type is image, so it is searching here, right? Now for example, I want to search my PDF files. Let's see, I don't want to search in trash, and all click on search. So my PDF files are appearing here on the Google Drive, right? Now the third is, so I hope you are clear with this. Now next is deleting files. Now for example, I have some pictures in my drive and I don't want them, right? So for example, I don't want this image to be in my drive. So one option, just click over it. The moment you will click over it, you will get to see this remove button, right? So you just click over it, it will be removed. Simple. Or if you don't want any picture, for example, I don't want this animation, I can right click over it and remove. So I have two options, one right click and remove, and second is just click over the picture. You'll get to see this option on the top right side on your drive page, right? So we learned how to remove the pictures from the drive. Once the picture is removed from the drive, it will move to the trash, right? So some of the images are here and I don't want these images to be in the trash, so I'll click over it. Again I have this remove forever button. So now we cannot recover this image. With this we have one more option. By mistake, if you delete any image and it is in the trash, so you just click over it, you have this option to restore from the trash. So just click over this button and you can restore the image back to your drive, right? So that's it for the restoring file and folders, right? Now we have learned about restoring a file and folder, and the next topic is viewing the files. Then we will learn about duplicate a file and then rename a file, right? So let's move back to the drive, Google Drive, and learn it practically. Google Drive displays your files and folder in two ways, right? So first is list view and second is grid view. Now this is a list view, right? So it is displaying everything in the form of a list, right? So this button is available once you open your Google Drive. This button is available on the top right corner, right? So all the files and folders, whatever stored or uploaded in my drive, are displayed in the form of list. Now if I want to display them in the form of a grid, so I will click over it again and all the pictures will be displayed in the form of grid, right? So this is very simple. Now next is duplicating a file. Duplicating a file means creating a duplicate copy of your file, right? So for example, I have this picture with me and I want to duplicate it, means I want to make a copy of it. The moment you click over the picture, you will get to see this more action button. Just click over it and you will get to see make a copy option, make a copy, right? So you just click over it and copy will be made, So you see one more copy of 3D sun rising is here. The first picture is here and second picture is here, right? Let's make one more copy of any picture. This is a fourth class or fourth video, so I'll click over it. For example, I want to make a copy of this image. I'll click over it, get to see this more action, make a copy, right? So the copied file will be having a name copy of, right? So the direct name will not appear, the name will be having copy of the file name, right? Now the today's last topic is renaming a file, right? So renaming file is again very easy. Now for example, I want to rename this picture. Just click over it and go to the more action. Here we have option called rename. I'll click over it and I will just give it a name sun rising and click OK. Now the file name is changed to sun rising, right? Now you can see the name is sun rising, right? This is how we can rename the file. So students, today we learned 8 topics to work with Google Drive. First one was creating a new folder, moving files to a folder, searching a file or folder, then deleting files, restoring files or folder and viewing the files, duplicating a file and renaming a file. So students, you try all these topics practically. It will make you more friendly to work with Google Drive. It is very important and easy also. So see you in the next video with more topics on Google Drive. Till then, take care and goodbye. God bless you all.